Howdy guys, welcome to Making Dough Show. My name is Hengam and my husband and I, we own 3 pizzerias here in the San Antonio area, soon adding 3 more this quarter. So it's a fun quarter for us this year, but I'm very excited about a purchase from Amazon that I did called Modernist Pizza. And I want to show you and unbox the books, these 3 books, plus obviously the kitchen manual. And super excited about it. I wanted to show you a little bit how it looks, different pages inside of it if you're interested in investing in it. And again, it's an investment because it costs, I think, $250 to $270 currently on Amazon. And after the first look, I would say that it's well worth it. If you are a professional in the pizza world, if you own pizzerias or looking into owning a pizzeria, it is like textbook. You know, people spend 4 years going to college for any skill set that they're acquiring. This will be like that for you. It'll be like a manual. It still is just focused on the pizza, and you know I'm a lot about the business of the pizza, as in you still need a lot of different skill sets, like, you know, the marketing, the finances, the media creation, all kinds of stuff to make money. But this would be the foundation for your food to make sure that you're producing something that's going to stand out. I love how masterfully it is done. It literally goes into so many different details, and I love it. I love our industry, of course, and who doesn't, right? And we love pizza. So if you are like me and you love pizza, and especially if you're looking into pursuing it professionally, I strongly recommend this book. Now let's look into it. First off, let's just say that this package is probably over 40 pounds, and I'm not kidding you. My kid is 40 pounds, and this thing is a beast to carry around. So let's see, got these cute little things that are just to somebody failed the design. I don't know what it was, but so the first book is about history and fundamentals of the pizza world. Next is the techniques and ingredients. The next one is recipes. So let's first look through the history and fundamentals. Let's just say this is an absolute gorgeous book, and if you're in the pizza world, you really need to have it. As in, if you're doing this professionally, this is like a textbook, kind of, you know, when you go to college kind of a thing. So you really need this. But let's go over it real quick. As you can see, these are the things that is covered in the book. You know, it goes back pizza in all the many different countries, which is really neat to study. World of pizza, all kinds of pizza travels you can see in different places. And volume 2 and volume 3, which we'll look through in a second. So this is really technical about the techniques and the ingredients, as you can see. And this one is all kinds of recipes. Okay, so as I mentioned, again, this is going to be the history and the fundamentals. This is kind of a little bit, I'm unboxing it with you. I've not actually looked through it. It is solid, premium quality book, of course. And it goes a little bit history, you know, everybody knows Tony, of course, and the pizza world. And it is a gorgeous book. I mean, look at it. Filled with photos, the history of stuff. There you go. Last but not least, let's look at the recipes. Really excited about this one. I'm hoping we can... Oh, wow, look how pretty. Gorgeous. Let's pull these guys out of here. So this is the recipe book. Wow. This is certainly more geared toward a professional person who wants to do pizza professionally, let's just say that. This is probably the prettiest book I own. I mean, I own a lot of cookbooks, let's just say that. The package came with this, it's called like a kitchen manual, the Modernist Pizza, of course, and I wanted to show you a little bit what it involves, and it's a lot, of course. You can see there's about pizza dough, about ovens, making pizza dough, a lot of details on that, so much about cheese, different kinds of cheeses, all kinds of sauces, about toppings. You can see baking pizza. I mean, as basic as how to transfer pizza dough using a peel. And it's really textbook style. This one has no pictures. As you can see, let's kind of dig into it. It's just really solid recipe procedures. And it is very well done, of course. I'm going to have to try a bunch of these to kind of make sure they're good. I'm sure they're good, but you know what I'm saying. Like gluten-free Detroit style pizza dough, come on. So this is a section on the dough. So I want to just kind of give you a little bit of a thing about this one, which they have included as a kitchen manual on the Modernist Pizza. Let me know your thoughts on this book if you decide to purchase this set. And if you're in the restaurant industry and you're hungry for more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can stay in touch. I would love to hear from you. Comment below and let me know where you're at. What is a restaurant that you have? Maybe a link to your website. I would love to check it out. Thank you, and we'll see you next week here at Making Dough Show. Bye-bye.